Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling only what you need: microphone, pop filter, and a quiet room. Once the gear is set, position the mic 6-12 inches away and run a 5-10 second test recording to check levels. Make sure input peaks sit around -12 dB to -6 dB so you avoid clipping while keeping good headroom. If you hear room echo, move closer and add soft fabrics. When the test sounds clean, open your recording app and name the file before you hit record. Once you have a raw take, start editing by trimming leading and trailing silence and removing distracting breaths while preserving natural rhythm. Next, run gentle noise reduction to tame background hiss, then add a high-pass filter around 80-120 Hz to remove rumble. Use EQ to brighten or reduce muddiness with small boosts or cuts, and apply light compression at a 2:1 or 3:1 ratio to even dynamics. Finally, listen through and adjust pacing to match your visuals or script timing. To finish, export your final track as WAV or FLAC at the session sample rate and 24-bit depth. Keep WAV if you'll re-edit later. Import and align the audio to your video timeline, nudging by milliseconds to fix lip sync, and set levels so dialogue peaks around -6 to -3 dB. If you encounter timing drift or clicks, render a small section and test. For persistent problems, re-record the affected sentence. If noise or plosives persist, use spectral editing or re-record with a pop shield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.